Hi everyone, it's me. I do have the blade papers. I'm doing a little bit extra today because I had told the one that I work for that since I go past the 2 stores in the hotel that I can get them, and he said that he would go ahead and have me get them since I go past them anyways, because I already got the 9 papers for the 2 stores. One store gets 5, the other one gets 4. And then I have the USA Today. That's going to take me about 10 minutes, and it doesn't take me that long to do my route, so I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.